Good morning. Ryan's going to make his mother a cup of coffee. So, Ryan, spin the carousel and choose your mother a K-cup.
Well, let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh,
What's it going to be today?
What do you think it's going to be? What do you think? Ooh, what's this?
Oh,
Let's see.
let's see.
Let's see here.
Okay,
This
that
one?
looks good. What kind is it?
Let's see. It's Green Mountain Coffee Extra Bold Kona Coffee Blend.
Kona. That's Hawaiian. Okay,
Yeah.
let's get it going.
We turn on this. You see all this?
Mm-hmm.
If you pay attention, you'll see this. It was heating first.
Yes.
Now we'll open this.
Open it up.
Top it.
Open
The seed is a nail up there and down there. I just top it right there.
Yes.
And then if I close it,
Yes.
it will stick the needle in there.
And I think she wants a big cup, doesn't she?
Yes, she
Okay,
does.
so we set it for big cup.
Yes, and it's going to.
Now, while it's brewing, and it doesn't take very long, does it? How long does it take?
Well, let's see. It's about 40 seconds, but
For it to brew?
For different kind of K-cups, like tea, coffee, or hot cocoa, it takes less time or more time. I don't know. So let's see. Here's a donut shop one. Doesn't make that much noise.
Okay.
Here's this one. Oh, that one's good.
Caribou blend. Oh, that's the one that has a very nice aroma when it's brewed.
Yes. Here's a fair trade one.
Fair trade.
Cocoa.
Okay, and where's my favorite? Twinings Early Grey.
Well,
There it is.
Twinings Early Grey.
Early Grey.
And
oh,
there it is.
wow, we're
It's
done. Look
done.
at that. Amazing.
Wow. Now let's see what it looks like.
Okay.
Ooh. It looks good.
Too bad you can't sniff that. That's really good. Thank you, Ryan.
Well, thank you for watching me going around the world to find famous coffee makers, and this is one of my best ones I find. See you later on my next show.